James, what happened?
Don't worry, I can fix this. Ta-da! All better.
Wow, James, you look splendid. I know.
Alright, hello everybody. I Love Trains 323 back again with another review. I hope you guys like that intro bit. Today I'm going to be reviewing, as you saw in the video, and if you can't tell by the title, Black James and Red James, Normal James, Origin James, whatever the hell you want to call them. So, first we'll start where the adventure began, Black James. Now, Black James is supposed to represent James when he first came to Sodor, which was seen in Railway Series Book 3, I believe, and The Adventure Begins. This was specially made for The Adventure Begins in the 70th anniversary, which, I don't know why they made Black James instead of, Green Thomas, but whatever. Now, Black James pretty much sums up what this is. It's James painted black. I like this model a lot, especially because Mattel actually did something that we would actually care about. I really enjoy this model, and I'm really glad Mattel actually did it. It's really nice, I like the details, and I like how most of it is wood, other than the indents for the magnets and the smoke box, which they've been doing for years, so, it looks really nice, and if you can still pick it up, I would recommend it. And even though it's called Origin James on the bottom, as you can see here, most of the packages say Introducing James, so I don't know which they were trying to go for when they made this, but either or, it works. So that's the Black James out of the way. Now we'll move on to what James returned to in The Adventure Begins and has stick to all of his life. We have Red James, which, oh my god, that is really bad. I was trying to change the setting of my camera, and I guess I can't do that while I'm recording. Now, Red James, like I said, is based on what he actually looks like in the show now, and from Railway Series Book 3 onwards, but this is the 2014, I believe, reintroduction that Mattel did of Red James, which has the CGI face and everything. I really like this, although it does look like this is plastic and sounds like it. It's not. This part here is wood, but of course, like the other one, it does have the indent for the magnet plastic in there. The smoke box is plastic. I believe the dome is on both, but I'm not sure. I do like how they did paint this on both models, representing his whistle, since his whistle's on the cab. I got this mostly because the James I have is really out of date, and I started getting a liking into Wooden Railway again, even though most of it's plastic. Honestly, I really love the reintroductions of most of the engines, other than certain ones like Gordon and Henry, because it's the plastic bogies, but this James was a birthday present this year, as my birthday is tomorrow. And this I bought because I knew that it was going to be out of stock sometime soon. But, out of the two, I think Normal James is probably my favorite, because it represents what I see James as most of the time, and what kids will probably see James as. The Black James is really nice for the 70th anniversary. I'm really sorry about the lens. It's filthy and I should probably clean it. It'll definitely be cleaned by the next episode. And I love how, like I said, Mattel took the time to actually make the Black James. And I like how they gave him the red running board, but they could have at least, made it all the way, like it should be. But, yeah, I absolutely love these James models. They are really stunning to look at, and I don't know, if you're a kid, a little kid will probably start going, I'm not going to throw him off the balcony, but I'm sure little kids will probably do that, so he'll get banged up a lot. But it really is a nice model. And I give Mattel a lot of shit for plastic in their merchandise. But sometimes it can work, and it makes a great model. Like, I don't mind the plastic in this, as long as it's not completely plastic. Most of this, like I said, is wood. So, yeah. That is my review on the Black and Normal Jameses. I hope you guys liked that intro bit. If you did, I might start doing that a bit more in the reviews. And, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and, see you in the next review. Alrighty, yeah. Bye. Coming off the rails. James. Okay, bye.